Hi everybody, today's focus, I am testing Supernatural Counters and Granite Cleaner to see how well it removes bacteria from my home. My viewer Jen reached out to me and asked if it was okay to mail me the Supernatural Granite and Countertop Cleaner. And we had a conversation about it and I said, absolutely, let me check out this product. So Jen, thank you for mailing this to me. I'm not familiar with the company Supernatural, so let's learn a little bit about them. On the packaging it says Supernatural Extra Sensory Cleaning. Let's open it up. Inside it says home is a sacred space, and you can see that it is a concentrate cleaner with a spray bottle inside. Let's open it up. So this is the concentrate. It says Supernatural Counters and Granite Refill Concentrate. This is just 1 ounce. It says Super Earthy, Super Magical Concentrated Household Cleaner. Okay, and it tells me how to dilute it, which we'll look at in a minute. There's also some paperwork, and it says your ritual begins now. Very shiny. Then the inside, it has different products that they have. And on the back, it says start your ritual, how it works. And it goes through just how to fill the water, add the cleaner, and clean. Okay, so this is good. Let's look at the bottle. So on this packaging of the bottle, it says liberate yourself from chores, super sustainable, super indulgent, super effective. Okay, that's nice. It feels like a glass bottle. Yes, it's a glass bottle. I like that. I really like it when products that are going to be used as refills give you a glass bottle. Excellent. Great, so it says Supernatural. It's a glass bottle with like a maybe silicone bottom here so it doesn't slide off your counters. Nice. So this is the Counter and Granite product. So I'm going to read a little bit about it so I know how to use it. It says used on sealed stone and most non-porous surfaces except stainless steel. So that's really good for me to know because my kitchen sink is stainless steel. So I will not be testing this product on my kitchen sink. Now, nowhere on this bottle that I can see anywhere does it make any claims to be able to remove bacteria, but we're going to test that because that's what Jen would like me to test. So in order to test how well this Supernatural Counters and Granite Cleaner remove bacteria, what I'm going to do is take a petri dish just like this guy here and label it A, B, and C. I'm going to take some sterile swabs and I'm going to swab various areas around my home. But for this one, since we can't do the kitchen sink or kitchen sink drain, we'll do the bathroom sink, the toilet room, and maybe the bathroom counter. We'll place that sample in the section labeled B for before. Then I'll clean according to the directions, swab the area again, and place that sample in the section labeled A for after. So this way we'll be able to see how much bacteria is on a surface before and after cleaning with this product. Let's read the directions for use. It says, fill the Supernatural bottle with filtered water to the white line. My water does go through quite an extensive filtration system, but I could use distilled water or I guess bottled water also. I'm going to read on their website more to see how important that is. Then it says pour this entire vial of concentrate into the corresponding bottle. Secure the top and gently mix by tipping the bottle upside down. And then it says spritz on surface to energetically lift your home and being. Extra sensory cleaning. Very interesting. And it says 100% essential oils. And it says they are basil, lychee, palmarosa, fir, and peppermint. Okay. So what I'll do is just spray and wipe to clean. It doesn't mention I need to rinse, so we're just going to spray and wipe. I do want to see what this smells like right now. Oh, that's a really nice scent. Now, considering it's a lot of essential oils, I thought this was going to be way more overpowering. It's a really nice scent. Okay. It's hard for me to describe it. All right, well, I'll let you know how it is once it's diluted and I'm spraying it anyway while I'm cleaning. All right, so let's see how well this Supernatural Counters and Granite Cleaner remove bacteria from my home, even though they make no claims to be able to do so. My viewer Jen just reached out to me and sent me an email that said, for Supernatural, you may want to state in the video that they are reformulating it. So the one I am testing is the 2024 formula. Now for some results. I was just outside, my glasses haven't transitioned back to like indoor levels. It's really bright out today, so sorry if my glasses are a little transition-y, but I was just outside and it's really sunny out today. The bathroom sink. In the before section, we can see some growth on the petri dish. Now, we can see different types of growth on here, which is very interesting, but there's not a ton of growth, but that's okay, we can definitely still see some growth. And I do want to point out the blob there that looks like it's infringing on the after section and the control section. I watched that grow from the before section. And in the after section, it's kind of hard to see in the photo, but there's about half a dozen very tiny bacterial colonies. So the Supernatural did a great job removing the bacteria from my bathroom counter. The bathroom sink. In the before section, we can see a tremendous amount of bacteria. And in the after section, there's about a dozen very tiny bacterial colonies. So the Supernatural did an excellent job of removing the bacteria from my bathroom sink. The toilet rim. In the before section, we can see a lot of bacteria in different types as well. And in the after section, we can see that one large colony and there's about half a dozen small colonies. So the Supernatural did an excellent job of removing the bacteria from my toilet rim. So overall, the Supernatural Essential Oil Blend did a very good job of removing the bacteria from around my home. Now remember, it does have some limitations on the surfaces that you can use it on, and that's why I did not test it on my kitchen sink. It specifically said not to use it on stainless steel. I don't have any granite countertops to test it on, but my bathroom counter is marble, so I tested it out there. Now as for the scent of the Supernatural Granite and Countertop Cleaner, remember this is all essential oils and water. It's a very earthy essential oil scent. Now I've tested other products that are based with essential oils. They usually have a cinnamon or clove scent or peppermint scent, or I think I've had eucalyptus before. And often when you think of essential oils, you think of like lavender and lemon and things like that. This is a very earthy scented essential oil blend. I'm going to read you the essential oils just in case you're interested. It's basil, Lycia cuba, I don't know if I'm saying that right, palmarosa, fir, and peppermint. I don't smell the peppermint at all. I don't know if it's the palmarosa I'm smelling more. I don't know. It's a very pleasant scent. Even though it's diluted in quite a bit of water, it is still a pretty strong scent. It's strong in that you can definitely smell it as you're spraying it. It lingered a little bit, but not a very long time. It's a pleasant, earthy, essential oil scent. It is very nice. It wasn't overpowering and it didn't make me cough. I really like the bottle. This is probably one of my favorite bottles that any product has ever come in. I love the fact that it's a glass bottle and has a silicone bottom. I really like this a lot. The sprayer was fine too. I really do like glass bottles. And the good thing is when you've done with this bottle and you want more of this, all you have to do is purchase the 1 ounce refill concentrate. So overall, the Supernatural Granite Encounter did a good job cleaning my home. Now, I'm not a huge fan of using only essential oil products. If I'm using a product that has essential oils, I usually like it to have a surfactant in it or a cleaner in it. So that's just my own personal preference. I prefer to clean areas with a soap first. And then if I need to follow up with a disinfectant or a sanitizer, do that. But if you're someone who's looking for an essential oil based cleaner, you like glass bottles, you like an earthy tone scent, this would be a great product for you. So thank you, Jen, for sending me both the Supernatural and the Merchants and Hume. I really enjoyed testing these products. So if there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list, or you can do what Jen did and mail me something. My email address is in the description below, so send me an email. Let's have a conversation about the product that you want to send me. It might be something that I've already tested. It might be something that I have at home in queue waiting to be tested, but let's just have a conversation about it and then I will give you my mailbox address. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.